Here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
I know it's been a while since you've seen this, but we thought we'd show you a couple of places, a couple of pictures where we actually have holes in the clouds. Yeah, that's kind of, I haven't seen that in a while. This is a picture from Lynn Richardson, and he says, boy, look at this picture out north of Powell this evening. He was searching for just the perfect shot tonight, and I think he got it as the sun was setting. To me, if you squint real hard, it almost looks like a beachcomber shack, and you can almost imagine that it's white sand somewhere on a beach, right? Nice looking shot. I like this one from Jennifer Aker Woods, too. She calls this just blue skies and snow. There's your blue sky. There's the snow out there, and here's the way it looks in Billings right now. Currently, we've got some partly cloudy skies out there. We had some snow move in just about an hour ago. Since then, it looks like the snow is just about quit. We're at 11 degrees right now. Winds out of the southwest at 6. Gives us a wind chill factor that feels like 1 degree. Now, our reported high today is our current temperature, 11. We started at 0 this morning. Here's your normal high, 44. So we were 33 degrees colder than normal. So our normal high this time of year is mid-40s. We're nowhere near there and haven't been that way ever since, I think, the 2nd of February. Now, you'll notice our record high is 70 back in 1992. Record low is 15 below back in 1962. And as far as precipitation, we've wound up with about 0.14 of an inch. You equate that out, we wound up to about maybe 1.5 inches of snow out of it so far today. And so for the month, we're at 179. For the year, we're at 274. We're ahead of normal in both categories, in some cases by quite a bit. Now, you'll notice here our current temperatures were still decent for this time of year. Everybody across the eastern half of the state is above 0. Out in the west, we're above 0 as well. And so actually, we're not doing so bad compared to what we were earlier in the week on Monday. But in the meantime, these were our reported highs. They didn't change much, but we did have a lot of teens over here. Still some single digits over there, Glasgow and Williston, North Dakota. We got up to 20 today over in Sheridan. Out in the west, it was 18 at Kalispell and Missoula out there. And so tonight, here's the story. Doppler radar shows you the scattered snow showers. Kind of moved into the Billings area earlier this evening. Continues to push east, heading in towards the Broadus area. Now, we do see a couple of scattered snow showers coming out of the Beartooth. This may still track into Yellowstone County before the night is done. We'll just have to wait and see what happens with that. But as you see, our forecast map shows exactly that. By 10 o'clock tonight, the snow is continuing to leave the Billings area, heading in toward the southeast corner of the state. And then by tomorrow morning, it's dry again, just partly cloudy skies. Your next batch of snow starts moving in from the southwest. And so then by the time Thursday night gets here, we're looking at another batch of snow streaming across southern Montana, right along the Wyoming state line. But this is what I don't like. This is a cold front moving in from Canada. This is an Arctic cold front, and it's going to push right on through Friday night into your weekend. It will bring with it more scattered snow showers across most of south central Montana and out in the west. How much snow are we talking about? Well, computer models are saying maybe 2 to 4 inches of snow for the Billings area. Some cases maybe a little bit more. We'll just have to wait and see on that. But it'll be 4 to 6 over in Lewistown. So yeah, we could see a little more snow out of this. Now tonight our temps cool back down to the single digits above 0 across most of eastern Montana. Maybe double digits above 0 out in the west of Kalispell and Missoula. Back here in Billings, 5 above. Maybe 1 below 0 at Sidney tonight. Then tomorrow back to 17 at Sidney, 19 in Miles City, into the 20s, 30s over at Livingston. In the far west, we're back into the 30s out there. But you're going to see mostly sunny skies, and then you'll see some scattered snow showers move in late in the day across the state. So what will we see tonight in Billings? Mostly cloudy skies. We've already picked up about 1.5 inches of snow. Could see maybe 2 before it's over and done with. Our low tonight 5 above. Tomorrow back to 20 with another 3 inches of snow late in the day. Friday 60% chance for snow. Then we cool down to 11 below 0 that night. Saturday 5 below for the high. 5 below on Sunday. 14 to 19 below 0 over the weekend. And then we start to warm back up in the 20s by Wednesday. Let's go back to the desk.